Hello everyone, in this video we are solving question 5 from the IMAT 2024 paper. Let's start by reading the question. The following table shows the results of a test. So the top row gives us the marks from 0 to 10 and the bottom row tells us the frequency, which is simply the number of candidates who achieved each mark. Question says, to pass the test, a mark of higher than 5 is needed. What percentage of the candidates passed the test? So we're told that to pass, a mark of higher than 5 is needed. Here the key phrase is higher than 5. A very common mistake is to include the mark 5, but higher than 5 means strictly greater than 5. So only the marks 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 count as passes. Now let's find out how many candidates passed. For mark 6, the frequency is 1. For mark 7, the frequency is 2. For mark 8, the frequency is 2. For mark 9, the frequency is 1. And for mark 10, the frequency is 0. Adding these frequencies together gives us 6. So 6 candidates passed the test. Now we need the total number of candidates. Whenever you're asked for a percentage from a frequency table, you need two things: the number you're interested in and the total number of observations. So let's add all the frequencies, which equals 24. That means 24 candidates took the test altogether. Now we can calculate the percentage. The percentage that passed is number who passed divided by total number of candidates multiplied by 100. So that's 6 divided by 24 multiplied by 100. Before multiplying by 100, let's simplify the fraction. 6 over 24 simplifies to 1 over 4, and we should know that 1/4 is equal to 25%. So the percentage of candidates who passed is 25%. That gives us answer B. An exam tip is that whenever you see a frequency table, don't get distracted by the marks themselves. The marks are just categories. The frequencies are what you're actually counting. So a good strategy is to identify which categories satisfy the condition and add those frequencies, and then add all the frequencies for the total, form the fraction, and convert it into a percentage. If you found this useful, make sure to check out imatmock.com for more practice tests and revision resources. See you in the next video.